Hi guys, welcome to another video. On this video I'm going to show you how you can make that mirror dip when you put it on reverse. We're going to do that through OBDEleven. My car didn't have that option from factory, but it's just a simple adaptation that you have to do in the system, not actually in the mirror. Okay, so at the moment it's just connecting to the scan, and now we go to here on the top, and then we go to car, and then where it says app. Now it's going to load all the apps that are available for us. So there's actually a couple of ways that you can do this. One of them is through here to the apps, and you have to pay 10 credits. Later on I'll make another video on how that works, but basically you just purchase that that amount of credit, so depending on what you want to do, so you have to buy some credit. So in this case we're gonna get the dip mirror. So there you go. So this is the one we want, the one that's gonna this is for the settings on the MMI, but this is just to get it activated straight away. So going back to the credit, so 10 credits. It's yesterday I did this and it was $4.46 Australian dollars. Just clipped in here, and it should be active because I already did mine yesterday, but just wanted to show you guys how I did that. So on here it should say on, because mine is actually active. There you go. So you see that it's on because I already did that. So yours, it's gonna be, mine was yesterday original, so it was off. So just click on, and then just go back here. And at the moment I don't have any credits, as you can see, but if you click on it, it's gonna take you to the marketplace, Android market, and then you can just purchase the 10 credits, which is $4.46 as of yesterday, which is not that expensive. So when you do that, you just take a couple of seconds to get that done, and then you just have to get the key out or turn it off, and then turn it, and then don't turn it on all the way. You don't need to, but if you want to, you can do that. So I'm going to show you now how I'm going to turn it on. So what you do there is that, so if you have your mirror like that, it won't work. So if you have it like that or like this, it's not gonna work for us that we drive on the right side. So you need to have it on here so it goes down. So I'm gonna show you without it. If you don't want to use it, maybe you don't need it when you're parking in one particular place. So if I put it on R, you see that it didn't go down. Now if I flip the switch, you see that it's going down. So parking near a curb, so just put it here, just leave it there all the time if you're gonna park it. But I usually keep it here, and if I need to see what's on the curve, then I put it that way. So it will come up, not immediately when you put it on P, but it will take a while for it to go back. So in this case, you already did. I edited the video a little bit, so it's back in place. Let me show you one more time. Put it in. I'm gonna put it in R, and you can see that it's going down. So if I flip this switch right here, it's gonna come back up. Alright guys, that's a really quick video for you guys today. If you have any questions, just let me know.